Hi there. We have already seen how to install Flutter on Windows, and this video is all about how to install and configure Android Studio as well as Android toolchain for the same Flutter development. Let's dive into the topic and see how to do that. Open the command panel by typing cmd in Windows search bar. Type Flutter Doctor and hit enter. After running the Flutter Doctor, you will find that you need to install Android toolchain and Visual Studio. If you want to develop Flutter application that runs on Android devices, you definitely want to install Android Studio and Android toolchain. And if you want to develop Windows application using Flutter, you definitely need to install Visual Studio as well. Here we are focusing on installation of Android Studio and Android toolchain. Now go to the Flutter installation page that we are already familiar with in the previous Flutter installation video. After that, scroll down to the Android section. Click on the link to the Android download page. After landing on the download page, just click on the download button and wait until the download is completed. Double-click the downloaded file and you will be prompted to select the desired location. After doing all configuration, start installing the Android Studio and wait till it completes. Oh, you are installed the Android Studio. Now let's configure it. Here do not import any settings. Click next. Click don't send button and now you got a new window. From here onwards, keep every default settings as itself and keep clicking next, next and next. It is the time to accept the Android licenses. Select the first license and select accept, and the second one and click accept, and the third one and click accept. After that, finish the installation and configuration. Now we just accepted the Android licenses. It's the time to wait and see how long it will take to download other Android development components. Oh, we have installed the Android Studio. One last step remains. We want to configure and install command line tools for Android as well. For that, open the installed Android Studio. Click on the new project and select the empty activity. Keep clicking next until the finish button is enabled and click the finish button when it is enabled. Wait till your first Android project is created. When you got a screen like this, go to the menu bar and click on the Tools menu, then SDK Manager. From this window, make sure that the left side is selected by the Android SDK itself. Click on the SDK Tools tab and make sure that you have selected the Android SDK command line tools. Click on Apply and it will be downloaded into your system. Wait till then. After that, all your configuration is set. You are ready to work on your first Flutter project on your Android device. Congrats. Hey, still some doubts remains? Don't worry, we are here to help you. Ask on the comment section.